Welcome back to Career Spotlight, where we dive into the fascinating world of careers that ignite your passion. In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting role of a financial analyst. If you have a knack for numbers, a strategic mindset, and a passion for making informed financial decisions, then this is the career for you. Get ready to discover how financial analysts play a crucial role in shaping the financial landscape of businesses and industries. Let's jump right in. What is a financial analyst? Financial analysts play a crucial role in the world of finance and business. They are analytical experts who dive deep into financial data and market trends to help organizations make informed decisions. These professionals assess the financial health of companies, analyze investment opportunities, and provide strategic recommendations to maximize profitability. Financial analysts are skilled in interpreting complex financial statements, such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. They leverage their expertise to identify trends, patterns, and potential risks that can impact business performance. By conducting comprehensive financial research and utilizing advanced forecasting techniques, financial analysts provide valuable insights that guide companies towards sound financial strategies. In addition to analyzing financial data, financial analysts monitor economic indicators and industry trends to understand the broader market landscape. They keep a close eye on factors such as interest rates, inflation, and regulatory changes that can impact financial markets. This knowledge helps them assess the potential risks and opportunities that businesses may face. As a financial analyst, you will utilize various financial modeling tools and software to perform quantitative analysis. You'll create financial models, perform valuation assessments, and evaluate investment opportunities. With your expertise in financial analysis, you'll help organizations make sound financial decisions, manage risks effectively, and achieve their strategic goals. Financial analysis is a vital function in the business world, and financial analysts play a key role in driving informed decision-making. Here are some reasons why financial analysis matters. Strategic decision-making. Financial analysis provides organizations with critical insights and data-driven recommendations to make strategic decisions. By analyzing financial statements, market trends, and economic indicators, financial analysts help businesses assess their financial position, evaluate investment opportunities, and allocate resources effectively. Risk assessment and management. Financial analysis helps identify potential risks and vulnerabilities within a company's financial structure. By conducting thorough assessments and stress tests, financial analysts help organizations mitigate risks, improve financial stability, and safeguard against adverse events. Performance evaluation. Financial analysis enables companies to evaluate their financial performance and compare it to industry benchmarks. Analysts assess key financial ratios, profitability indicators, and other performance metrics to determine a company's financial health and identify areas for improvement. Investment decision-making. Financial analysts play a crucial role in investment decisions. They analyze investment opportunities, conduct due diligence, and evaluate the potential returns and risks associated with various investment options. Their insights help investors and businesses make informed investment decisions. Planning and forecasting. Financial analysis is instrumental in financial planning and forecasting. Analysts utilize historical data, market trends, and forecasting techniques to project future financial performance. These forecasts assist companies in setting realistic goals, budgeting effectively, and developing strategies for growth. To excel as a financial analyst, certain skills, education, and qualities are necessary. Let's take a look at some key aspects. Strong analytical skills. Financial analysts must have excellent analytical abilities to interpret financial data, identify trends, and draw meaningful insights. They should be proficient in financial modeling, data analysis, and quantitative techniques to make accurate forecasts and projections. Financial knowledge and expertise. A solid understanding of financial principles, accounting practices, and financial markets is crucial for financial analysts. They should be well-versed in financial statements, valuation methods, risk assessment, and investment analysis to perform their duties effectively. Technical proficiency. Proficiency in financial software, data analysis tools, and spreadsheet applications is essential for financial analysts. They should be comfortable working with complex financial models, conducting financial research, and utilizing software for financial analysis. Business acumen. Financial analysts need a strong business acumen to comprehend the broader organizational context and make recommendations aligned with business objectives. They should understand industry dynamics, market trends, and competitive landscapes to provide relevant financial insights. Attention to detail. The ability to pay close attention to detail is vital for financial analysts, as they often deal with intricate financial data and complex financial models. They should be meticulous in their analysis, ensuring accuracy and precision in their findings. Communication skills. Effective communication skills, both written and verbal, are essential for financial analysts. They should be able to articulate complex financial concepts in a clear and concise manner, preparing reports and presentations that are easily understood by stakeholders. Continuous learning. The financial industry is dynamic, with evolving regulations, market trends, and technologies. Financial analysts should have a passion for continuous learning, staying updated with industry developments, and expanding their knowledge and skills. To become a financial analyst, a bachelor's degree in finance, accounting, economics, or a related field is typically required. Many professionals also pursue advanced degrees, such as a master's in business administration or specialized certifications like Chartered Financial Analyst designation, to enhance their career prospects and expertise. Financial analysts have a wide range of career opportunities across various industries and sectors. Here are some potential career paths and areas of specialization for financial analysts. Corporate finance. Financial analysts can work within corporations, assisting in financial planning, budgeting, investment analysis, and strategic decision-making. They may be involved in analyzing financial statements, conducting feasibility studies, and assessing investment opportunities. Investment banking. Financial analysts can pursue a career in investment banking, where they play a vital role in mergers and acquisitions, initial public offerings, IPOs, and capital raising activities. They may be responsible for conducting due diligence, financial modeling, and valuation analysis. Asset management. Financial analysts can work for asset management firms, managing investment portfolios, and making investment recommendations based on market analysis and risk assessment. They may be involved in researching investment opportunities, monitoring portfolio performance, and providing investment strategies to clients. Financial consulting. Financial analysts can work as consultants, providing financial advisory services to organizations. They may be engaged in financial analysis, forecasting, and providing recommendations for financial improvements and optimization. Risk management. Financial analysts can specialize in risk management, helping organizations identify and mitigate financial risks. They may analyze market trends, assess credit risk, develop risk management strategies, and ensure compliance with regulations. Financial planning and analysis. Financial analysts can focus on financial planning and analysis, supporting organizations in budgeting, forecasting, and financial reporting. They may analyze financial data, develop financial models, and provide insights to drive business performance. As financial analysts gain experience and expertise, they can progress to roles like senior financial analyst, financial manager, or finance director. They may also explore opportunities in investment research, portfolio management, or venture capital. Continuous learning and professional development are essential for career growth in the financial industry. Financial analysts can pursue advanced certifications, such as the Chartered Financial Analyst designation, to enhance their credentials and credibility. Networking. Attending industry events, and staying updated with industry trends can also open doors to new opportunities. The field of financial analysis offers strong career prospects, competitive salaries, and the opportunity to work in a dynamic and fast-paced environment. As businesses continue to rely on data-driven insights for decision-making, the demand for skilled financial analysts is expected to grow. In conclusion, a career as a financial analyst offers a rewarding and intellectually stimulating path for individuals passionate about finance, numbers, and strategic decision-making. With the right skills, education, and dedication, you can excel in this field and contribute to the financial success of organizations. If you're intrigued by the world of finance and have a knack for analyzing data and making informed financial decisions, consider exploring a career as a financial analyst. There are plenty of opportunities waiting for you to make a significant impact in the financial industry. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start your journey towards becoming a financial analyst. Invest in your education, gain practical experience, and continuously develop your skills to stay competitive in this ever-evolving field. Thank you for joining us in this Career Spotlight video. If you found this information valuable, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting career insights and tips. Feel free to leave your comments or questions down below. We'd love to hear from you. Check out the other videos on the channel and stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll continue to explore fascinating careers that ignite your passion. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and pursuing the career of your dreams.